On August 20th, Action for Animal Justice gathered at the Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike office to voice against the alleged violations of street dog management rules in the city. The group raised concerns over the animal birth control program and the role of certain BBMP officials in perpetuating these issues. The activists have called for the immediate suspension of the ABC program until all NGOs involved receive project recognition from the Animal Welfare Board of India. They also demanded that BBMP provide prefabricated structures, additional kennels, and outfitted containers to expand existing facilities. Moreover, the group urged the BBMP to allocate land for ABC facilities in compliance with the Supreme Court's order, AWBI guidelines, and the ABC Rules 2023. Lastly, the activist also requested a halt to any plans for microchipping street dogs, advocating instead for a combined vaccination program.
Because of the BBMP neutering, I lost so many dogs. They are returned back dogs. It's very bad condition with the ear bleeding and healing. Operation portion is not healing. Bleeding is there, and after infection they died. So many dogs died. One dog they returned, and with that dog, other dog is got infected like this. 20-25 dogs that time that area died. So. That is actually very bad experience about this, all those things.
We have been escalating about the ABC center issues for a long time now. Okay, most of the ABC centers, except for two of them, are in shambles. The centers are so run down, it's impossible to call it an ABC center itself. And the dogs that are being taken into these centers by the NGOs there. First of all, I want to first say that how could NGOs, responsible NGOs, take up ABC program when they have been given these sort of shamble, broken down centers where it's impossible to call it scientifically designed. Forget about scientific design, but at least the basic amenities not missing. Okay. We are talking about kennels, individual kennels with absolutely no aeration, no proper as per the AWBI regulations. The size of the kennels are small. We're talking about community kennels over filled with dogs and continuous fighting, and they don't get enough to eat. So this is the condition of most of the ABC centers in Bangalore. This is extremely irresponsible for the NGOs to have signed up for something like this, and for BBMP, they should have been more, follow all the rules and regulations, and as an authority, be ethically responsible, because we have assistant directors who go to these centers regularly, but have they been monitoring what is happening in the centers? Absolutely not. And if you look at these pictures here, you will see such horrible pictures of the ABC centers where dogs are suffering, with intestines spilled out. Is this what is called ABC? And is this Bangalore, an IT city that we are talking about? We should be really ashamed of that. Okay, and not just about dogs. What about human beings who are involved in handling dogs? The staff, they are treated like third-rate citizens. They don't have. If you see on this right side, you will see that is the kind of housing they have provided for the ABC workers. How can someone live in such a shambled place and carry out their duty diligently? Of course they will not. They will take shortcuts, and what is the result of this whole thing? Animals suffering, animals dying of infection. You name it, everything is happening wrong in this ABC program. So infrastructure is a must that they should look into, and they should stop ABC immediately if they do not have proper infrastructure in place. And AWBI has given a directive also that they should follow strictly, and we don't have to do anything more than that, because we have worked with every authorities from the top to the bottom, but no one seems to be listening to us, and it's all falling on deaf ears. And I'm very sorry to say this, that this is not the way and authorities should be behaving.
ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಚಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬಂದು ಅದು ಬೀದಿ ನಾಯಿಗಳಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬಂದು ಸಾಕು ನಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ. ABC ರೂಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಚಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಒನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಚಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಡಾಗ್ ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ರೂಲ್ 2017 ಗೆಜೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೀಡರ್ಸು ನಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಚಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು 2018 ಪೆಟ್ ಶಾಪ್ ರೂಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಅವರು ನಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸಾಕು ನಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಚಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇದೆ. ಬೀದಿ ನಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ಫಸ್ಟು ಓಕೆ BBMP ABC ಅವರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಿರಿ, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಚಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಯಾಕೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎನಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವರು ಆ ಥರ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಚಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇವ್ರು ABC ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ABC ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಚಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಾಯಿಗೆ 3 ಹೊತ್ತು ಊಟ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿರಿ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ.
ಈಗ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಚಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ?
ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ಪೈಲಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಏನೋ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ? ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ UTD ಅವರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವ? ABC ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆಜೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಬೀದಿ ನಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆಜೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಾಗ್ ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ರೂಲ್ಸು ಬ್ರೀಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪೆಟ್ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಚಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದು. ABC ರೂಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ರೂಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹಗರಣ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ರಿ ಇವರು. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇವರು 2023 ಇವಾಗವರೆಗೂ ABC ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಡಿ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ ದ ಗೆಜೆಟ್. ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ABC ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ರೀ. BBMP ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ರೀ? BBMP ಮೇಯರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರಿಗೆ BBMP ಇದು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೇಳೋದ ನಾವು? ನಮಗೆ ಹಗರಣ ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾನೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
As per the directives of Supreme Court in SLP 691 of 2011, where they had written to the chief secretaries of every state that every municipality, every civic body has to be in compliance with the orders and directives and has to abide by the rules which have been stated very clearly again and again, and especially recently now with the ABC Gazette notification of 2023. When a notification or an order has come from AWBI, which is the central body, to discontinue the program owing to violations, it's high time that BBMP immediately stops it without dragging on the program with unrecognized agencies.
So if you're proposing BBMP to stop the ABC, what is the alternate solution that you would like to tell BBMP to go ahead with the ABC?
It's already prescribed in the ABC Gazette notification of 2023 that when NGOs are not sufficient or not coming forward, or there is some kind of shortage, then the municipality themselves can conduct the ABC program, provided they have the necessary facilities, the infrastructure, and also they get the required certificate of project recognition.
So these ABC centers have literally turned into mini slaughterhouses. So just imagine what I'm meaning. So these dogs have been, they're not taking care of the dogs really well. They're turning into slaughterhouses where surgeries are botched up. There are no officials coming to look at it. They're not checking how surgeries are happening, what is happening with the dogs. Maybe they're just coming, checking organs, making reports on that. That's it. They're not going into the cages. They're not looking at what's the state of the dog, what is happening. They're not bothered. End of the day, they've released a tender. They want the money to be released, and even monies are not released. And here, they're so corrupt to the core that even to release a payment, they have to shell out payments. And what kind of a system we are in? We are like, it's just gone. And none of the official, I can name like hundreds of people out here who are just corrupt to the core. They are like, I think they're born in corruption, and that's how they are. And they are not bothered, because they, even with garbage also, they would be eating money, because they don't care. End of the day, they want money. That's it. And NGOs are also feeding them. And you should understand by now that why NGOs are doing such kind of surgeries, because they're not the good ones. You have to choose the best ones. Just because someone quoted a low rate They're going to give it to some NGO who has no experience, who's doing such a bad surgery. Then the well-being of the dog is not kept, and this is how the system is. So we want a very, very strict action on this to be taken today, right now. We can't wait for months and years together for more and more dogs who are going to be botched up or even slaughtered.
Would like to share ROW case where we have been requesting BBMP to come and visit and assign feeding spot. This is a basic need that we have asked, but BBMP doesn't care to come. Our dogs are trapped in pet park and nobody cares to have a feeding spot or have some rules in place. What has happened is all our resident dogs have been shooed away and put across in the tech park area. And we were talking to BBMP about coming and rescuing them, getting them out of the tech park because it's a restricted area. Neither they are coming to rescue. Even the feeding spot that was there in the residential area, that has been removed. And we have sent multiple emails. We have in person come and meet with the BBMP official, but nobody cares to resolve it. Right now, 8 of our dogs are in tech parks which are trapped and we are not able to feed them. There the security guards have allotted female security guards to stop us from getting inside. There are around 8 security guards who stand there every day and don't let us go inside. And neither BBMP nor the officials from the tech park area are coming for the rescue. So the dogs are relying on the support that the tech park people may give or may not give. They may sleep without food many days, but nobody cares about it. Nobody responds to email, nobody addresses the concern that we have.